Hello! The objective for this video is to show that maybe protein is not that deeply affected from a microwave oven. This is to say, the microwaving of the oven that some foil hats on the internet want to make you believe. So I want to make an experiment. I put this little pile of protein powder into this microwave oven, and I put on the oven and see what's happened. 2 minutes. Let's wait. You are hearing my dog Ellie in the background. Now, if the microwaves would be a very efficient way to affect this protein powder, it would be hot afterwards. But my belief is that it maybe will not be that hot afterwards, and I will test myself, and then you will know one way to test yourself. Now, this protein powder, it have some amount of moisture in it, so the experiment is not that perfect. You have to expect some amount of warm to some heat to be evolved from the process anyway. But let's see what's happened. I'm not sure. I have not tried this entirely to the end before, just a couple of seconds. But it will be interesting to see, don't you think? So, now there are some smoke. Yes, it's hot. It's hot. So maybe I'm wrong. There are some effects, but I don't know how much which is composed by the effect on the moisture, and how much is made by the microwaves on the powder itself. Now, you have to judge.